what we're looking for isn't a declaration of love. It's evidence that that person can truly love us, care for us, and respect us. The declaration of love and the evidence of love are two different things. As women, we get so caught up in this happily ever after idea. And often we think those little words, I love you, mean everything. It changes our world. But are the actions the same as the words? Sometimes it's not. And that's why we choose to leave. Because the declaration of love isn't always evidenced in that person's behaviour, the person that we thought we were going to spend the rest of our lives with. Evidence of love is what you need, not just words.